Tell them you're about to taste it.
Huh? Oh, you're doing the video.
Yeah.
Yo, this looks good though.
Mm-hmm. Lots of flavor. You tell me what it tastes like.
Mm.
Is it restaurant quality?
Mm-hmm.
It's good.
It's good.
I put spice in there too. A little bit spicy.
Mm.
Lots of seasoning. Lots of
Yeah, it was a
cheese.
lot of seasoning. I wanted more cheese though. It's really good.
Bro, Folly, that makes me hungry.
Bite it on. Can bite.
Mm-hmm.
It's real bread. I don't have any bread like you can do.
Be quiet. I'm doing a YouTube video. Shut up.
What? YouTube video?
I said shut up, yeah.
Bruh.
I have a YouTube page. It's okay.
Mm.
It's good with the bread.
Mm-hmm. Why am I still eating?
All right, one more bite. So tell them what you think.
Mm.
It's good with it?
Mm-hmm. Mm.
You boy gone with it. You know, give me how good it be. It's good.
Yeah.
All right, guys. There you have it. The boy gone. He said good. All right, guys. Bye. The boy gone with everything, guys. Gone with everything. So, bye, guys.